why we must review our business plan and goals on a daily basis. Why must we review our daily goals and our activity on a daily basis? Why? Why ask why? So I think the obvious answer is you're making sure your goals are being hit. My daily activity is proving if I'm reaching my goal. What is my goal? How do I get there? It's your roadmap. So it keeps you on track. It keeps you accountable. It gives you something to do, especially when those moments when your mind creeps into your mind, what am I going to do? And I don't have anything to do, or I have so much to do, I don't know what to pick first. Or my favorite thing to do, procrastinate. But in addition to that, it's concreting your outcome into your subconscious mind. It's hugely effective. Reminding yourself of something daily will ingrain it into your brain subconsciously. Now, there's studies on this, there's science backing it, it's not just me saying it. So it's important to stay on track. It's also important to keep you mentally on track. But lastly is your goals and your outcomes, your wants, your needs, your desires, they change. Is this still what you want? Do you still want to have a big mega team? Do you still want to make a certain amount of money per year or per week? Do you still want to help a certain number of people? Are you in line with your goals personally? Are you in line with your goals financially? That's why it's key to keep you on track. If you like some of our tracking systems, I'd be glad to share them with you. Just send me an email. Hope you found this short video helpful. Hit subscribe, hit that like button, click that comment button too, click the bell. We put out videos every week. Gregory Martire, glad to help. I'm happy to do it. Have a great day, everybody.